Всем привет, приветствую на канале Axel Game. Сегодня мы с вами посмотрим игру симулятор строителя. Это демо-версия, нам еще недоступны все выборы. Начнем. Новая игра. Как видите, компания песочницы недоступна. Начнем с фундамента, с первого. Построить и поехали. Похоже.
Welcome to the Bilder Factory! You're probably wondering why you're in this place! It's just because the game designer wanted the level to be small! My name is Bill Der, and today I'm going to be your worst nightmare! Guide through the game mechanics! Let's start with the basics!
Давай начнем.
Follow me!
Видео.
You know what to press, don't you?
Есть. Завод. Такое чувство, что завод находится где-то. Да, в тропиках. Даже так назвать. Еще заросшее. Пошли.
The tool wheel is available under the scroll or under the left bumper on the gamepad. Try it now! Under the Q key, you'll always have a task list available regardless of the game mode. As soon as you move the controller, the game swaps the controls to it. This way you'll never get lost.
Может, не запомнил. Нас ничего не должно пугать. Абсолютно. Вот абсолютно ничего. Так.
Fantastic!
Задач.
My maker always said that everything needs a solid base. Let's start with foundation.
Давай.
Select a shovel from the tool wheel and dig the area for foundations.
Хорошо, дай задачку читать, а? Установи опалубку, установи армирующие элементы, включи бетонную мешалку, приготовь бетон, возьми тачку, залей в нее готовый бетон, возьми тачку котлованы, залей в нее бетон. Хорошо. Так, давайте начнем. Он сказал взять лопату. Ух ты. Окей, так, копаем типа, да? Ага. Значит, держим мышку, идем вперед, и он там копает, да? Замечательно даже. Не надо помочь кладаться постоянно.
Hey, hey! I'm getting rusty!
Да, так может поможешь. Отдыхает, не понимаешь. Так, давай смотри. Он отдыхает, а мы работаем. Как обычно. Так, что у нас тут дальше? Копай.
Formworks and reinforcements.
Так, супер.
As a real builder, you have to use the store to get the materials you need to build. Press
магазин.
tab or select on gamepad to open the store.
Окей.
Good job! Choose the
Открыли.
first store available. Now on the left is a list of available categories according to the stage of construction. You can change the number of items you want to buy to 1, 10, or 100.
Ага.
Buy 100 formworks and reinforcements.
И типа как? А, вот. Вот он.
Great job!
Купил.
Did you know that by holding down the left mouse button or the right trigger on the gamepad, you can insert them in the blink of an eye? Each stage of construction shows holograms to help you visually indicate which stage you are currently at. You know the joke about how one person works and the rest just watch? You just became part of it.
Да, ну. Так, погнали. Один. Ага. А, тут тоже нажимаем кнопку и идем вперед. Так. Так уж как кирпич читается видео.
Great!
Есть.
Next up is reinforcement.
То же самое.
Same principle as with formworks.
Тоже нажимаем
Click or hold.
и поехали.
job.
Закончить.
Now it's time for the creme de la creme. Pouring the foundations.
Ну, да, для климата.
Go to the wheelbarrow and pour concrete over the foundations.
Так,
Eeny,
выбираем
meeny,
руку,
miny, mo. Builder's waiting
Да.
just for you.
Подводим. Тут надо почему-то. А, вот так. Да, ну почему? Хорошо. Не обязательно можно стоять на одном месте, оно заливается. Сколько там количество? 3, 4, сейчас. Раз, два, 4, 5. Ну, чем ближе подходит, тем оно больше заливает, так понимаю, да? 3, 4, 5. Давай, заливайся. Там отдыхаешь, да, где-то? Отдыхун, куда ты там делся?
Hey, I'm getting rusty.
Да успокойся ты. Что ж заливается? Все
That's it for
идеально.
this part. I'll see you at the concrete mixer in a bit.
Так, ага. Мы завершили это обучение. Следующий там, давайте посмотрим следующий этап обучения.
Welcome back! You're probably wondering how come you had concrete in your wheelbarrow in the previous level? The game designers didn't want the stage to be too long. Let's find out how to make it!
Давай посмотрим, как это делается. Двери закрыты, двери открыты.
You can create two types of mixes.
Давайте
Mortar
посмотрите, хорошо, давай.
and concrete. Mortar is needed to join the blocks.
Хорошо.
Concrete, on the other hand, is used for foundations.
Хорошо.
Let's start by turning on the concrete mixer. You will
Включаем.
lose $1 for each second you leave the concrete mixer on. So make it quick and effective.
Ага.
All the ingredients you need
Просто
can be
так же,
found around the
да.
concrete mixer. Above the concrete mixer, there are the ingredients you need to create a mortar. Start with the sand. Take your shovel and put some in.
Надо 20 помощников. Быстрее копаем.
Great!
Так, хорошо.
Now it's time for cement. Add some from the bags on the ground. Lovely!
Есть.
All you need now is a bucket of water that you can find in your tool wheel.
Взять воду. Продолжить действие. Раз. Как тебе?
What type of construction are dogs good at? Roofing! Whew, that was tough! What if I told you you could do it much simpler and faster?
Так чуть заранее.
Go by the mixer and find the panel. There are 3 buttons here. Concrete, mortar, and auto switch. Choose the mix you want to create. This time it's gonna be concrete. And click the auto switch to make it automatically. Its cost will be a bit more, but it's way faster. Great power comes with great responsibility, such as budget.
Ну да. Что дальше?
I'll improve your quality of life even more. You don't have to drive around with a wheelbarrow all the time. Open the tool wheel and choose the wheelbarrow. The game will teleport the wheelbarrow under the mixer at no additional cost. How cool is that? Now that you have everything you need, you can pour the concrete from the mixer into the wheelbarrow. Amazing, right? We're not gonna pour the foundation again because there's no point. But we'll see each other in the next stage very soon.
Так, опять следующий этап. Хорошо, приходим на следующий этап.
Wake the hell up, Builder! We have a concrete screen to dig!
О, бетонный стяжка.
Enough Easter eggs! Let's go! builder needs a proper concrete screed. Let's continue with what we've prepared at the first stage. Get your shovel and dig the ground!
Давайте начнем. Будем копать. Тут что-то быстро выкапывается. Так,
Next up, you need a sand.
Теперь надо песок.
You can do this in two ways. Either by the shovel or by the wheelbarrow. Go to the sand pile and pick up some sand with your shovel. Then place it in the floor. Nice! The second way is to pour sand from the wheelbarrow. Try putting some sand in the wheelbarrow. Great! Now, finish sand bedding by pouring the sand over the concrete screed.
75. 50 есть. Взять. Скинуть. Сейчас. Взять. Взять. Окей, давайте так. Поехали. Как тут? Ага. Как странно, получается одна лопата на один квадратик, получается 4 лопаты на телегу.
Now we have to buy some reinforcements.
Опять
Every house you build needs reinforcement to make concrete more durable.
Залитие.
Buy 30 grid reinforcements.
30. 10, 20.
Now place them on the foil.
Поехали. Остановитесь. Тут не работает, тут надо все по отдельности ставить. Все понятно.
Now it's time for concrete.
Зачем
You already have it waiting in the wheelbarrow. Cheating is fun sometimes, huh? Pour it over.
Нам все залить. Да, хорошо. Давайте заливать. Так, тут тоже по одному только. Как видно, что он бесконечный в телеге. Ты чё? Так, почти залили. Все идеально.
It was scarier in previous demo, wasn't it?
Ровненько, так что надо еще. Купи 30 минут, залишь.
Now, every building needs an insulation.
Уже 30.
Fun fact! You should do it both in the walls and in the foundations.
Ладно.
First, buy 30 insulations in the shop. Now, place the insulation over.
Тут тоже надо. Пенопластом залить.
Perfect! We're nearly done! Use the wheelbarrow and pour out the final concrete layer.
Видите? Как лучше. Наконец-то мы опять заливаем сверху бетоном. Угу. И он опять бесконечный. Интересно, это все интересно. Так, заливайся до конца.
That's it! Now you're done with the concrete screed loop. It'll get a lot better and rewarding from now on. Simulators must reflect reality, but we have prepared a lot of interesting solutions for you that will speed up your work considerably. See you later, excavator!
Ваше следующее обучение, поехали.
After a while, crocodile! It's time for the load-bearing walls! Quickly!
Поехали!
To the Batmobile training room! I'll take you through it on the way!
Batmobile, ну да.
There are certain types of walls. In our game, there are 3 types of walls. Bearing, partition, concrete partition walls. Trust me, it's the most rewarding part of the construction. You'll see the effects immediately. You'll need to get hollow blocks from the shop. Buy 100 of them now.
Ну сейчас купим пустотные блоки, значит, да? Несущие пустотные.
Fantastic!
Купили.
Now it's time to pick up mortar. You can find it in the wheelbarrow. Select trowel and pick up mortar from the wheelbarrow.
Выбрали.
Once collected, it remains on the trowel until the resource in the wheelbarrow is exhausted. That way you don't have to go back and forth. You're taking notes from the last demo, huh? In Bilder Simulator, we have a leveling system that allows you to build houses faster the more you build them. Try it out by placing the first hollow block. Use the trowel to lay the mortar on the hollow block. Great! Now place the hollow block on it. Level up! I never thought someone would level up from the first hollow block. Now you've unlocked double hollow block placement. Give it a try. You leveled up again. Holy cow! Let's see what happens now.
Что по одному? Замучить нас. Так, давайте. Раз. Значит, что? Окно 16. Дверь в окно, типа. Да, дальше. Интересно, давайте. Так, что, выбираем, значит.
Amazing!
Ого.
It reminds me of the Egyptian buildings I have in my data. Let's put up the scaffolding. Scaffolding will be very helpful when working at heights. Select a scaffolding from the tool wheel. You can rotate it by clicking the right mouse button or left trigger. And not only that, you can also move it very precisely with the scroll wheel. Good work! You can climb the ladder by clicking on it. I'll tell you a secret about layer 12. The 12th layer is the lintel layer! Never heard of it? Its task is to transfer the weight from the opening to the adjacent walls. Above every doors and windows, you need to place one. Buy one lintel from the shop.
Right.
It's time to place it in the hologram. Fabulous! Part of the walls is to set the ceiling when you reach the right height. Ceiling holograms will automatically appear when you fill in the blocks on the last layer. And this is the moment when you have to place the ceiling blocks. Buy 20 ceiling blocks from the shop.
20 потолочных блоков. Давайте. 10.
Some would say the sky's the limit. But for us, it's ceiling blocks on each level. Enough dad jokes. Put the ceiling blocks in the hologram. Extraordinary. After your work, dismantle your scaffolding with drill. This way, when your house is built and beautiful, you can take a picture of it. Yes, we do have photo mode. The next step will be the partition walls. See you later.
Интересно эта вещь. Так, на сегодня давайте заканчивать. Всем спасибо. Комментируйте, ставьте лайки, подписывайтесь, жмите на колокольчик. Всем пока.